Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the XLT package, the 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel engine. That's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and take you for a tour. So it does have the tow hooks up front, along with the fog lights, fixed running boards, chrome wheels. Power sliding back window, spray on bed liner, tow package. See, there's tons of room back here. You do have a 110 right here, which is super nice, and two other power supplies. I love how they brought the running boards back to where you can step on it while they're getting things out of the bed. There's your keypad. There's your VIN right there. As you hop inside, you'll see that it only has 8,464 miles on this vehicle. Then of course you have your stereo controls, trip computer, push to talk, and cruise control, 2 and 4-wheel drive. I'll turn this down a little bit so you can hear me a little bit better. See that it does have heated seats up front. Trailering controls. Then you have another 110 outlet right there, and 12 volt. Got your navigation. Then you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Then here are your other apps, and then your other settings, your 2 glove compartments. There's your phone charging station with 2 different types of outlets. Then you got your cup holders. And as you come up above, you're going to see that you have your upfitter switches, glasses holder, map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this F-250 on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front and center. The airbags did not deploy. There is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.